I've spent the last decade on Wall Street simulating populations at big data scale. I worked at a place called 2 Sigma, where we were measuring, we were simulating individual market actors' behavior. And I've generated about $500 million of revenue in AI products over my career. I started Watson Education, a couple of other startups that have exited. And now we are solving the biggest problem in society, which is understanding why any human makes any decision and affecting change. We have some really high quality clients. And Jana, would you like to introduce yourself?
Of course, thank you, Avi. Hi, I'm Jana. I'm one of the co-founders here at Subconscious. I did a lot of neuroscience research at MIT and the Allen Institute, where my work focused on how the brain learns and ages. Now at Subconscious, I am really interested in causality and how and why people make decisions.
Jana, we are so lucky to have you. The problem that Subconscious is solving is that 95% of product launches fail. The cost to launch is so low, but people still don't know what to build. We say here that we're not building better arrows, but we are building better archers. And we've discovered something in market research that is kind of fundamentally broken. Let me share my screen real quick. Most market research is focused on descriptive statistics or even predictive statistics. Here we're showing different types of analytics using a car analogy. You can run as many focus groups and as many surveys and as many interviews as you want, and you will never get beyond descriptive and maybe predictive analytics. In order to get true prescriptive and performative analytics, to build an AI capable of operating a business, which is what we are building, you need to run randomized, controlled, blinded studies at big data scale, which is what we do, and which is why Fortune 50 companies are working with us. We've published some research. We are about 95% as accurate as humans across 350 studies, more studies than the entire rest of the industry combined. We have a library of the world's economics, sociology, and psychology research here, which anyone can fork. It's GitHub for social science. You can get started with our playbooks. You can run experiments. We can tell you exactly how much money each customer is willing to pay for each feature. We can build causal models of behaviors, and one of the actions that we expect our users to take is we are context infrastructure. The customers will load up the user journey, they'll load up their personas, they'll load up the competitors, and then we will build this 3D context infrastructure where we can run experiments across any persona, across any part of the user journey, across any product, real time, turning market research from a once a quarter experience to an always on real time experience.